This is just a quick look at the physical aspects of the ASUS RT-AC68U versus the Nighthawk model R7000 versus the Linksys EA6900. Look at each device. You'll see obviously this one is standing upright, and the LEDs are on the dimmer side as the device is in normal operations. On the Netgear, we have much brighter LEDs, and they're rather conveniently located. And then finally with the Linksys, we only have one LED. The logo itself is all that glows on the unit. So a rather large difference there. Another physical difference would be on the side. We've got the WPS button on the ASUS. On the Netgear, our equivalent button is right there, so an easy tap right from the top. And then finally on the Linksys, not so conveniently, they're obviously located in the back, where you see it on the far left, the blue button. Let's have a look at the back, or the ports, on these three premium routers. These are Wi-Fi routers. And you'll notice we've got different coloring schemes among the different vendors. Okay, you'll notice a recessed button there, a power button on the ASUS, and there's your power input. USB 3 is on the back, LAN port, LEDs that glow at the bottom here, or one LED, I believe, and gigabit ports. Okay, so that's the ASUS. And a very tiny sticker with some of the serial number, MAC address, that kind of info. Now let's look at the Netgear. In the back of the Netgear, we've got a recessed reset port, 4 gigabit ports, a WAN port in yellow, USB 2.0 port, and a physical power button next to the power input. So you might wonder, if you didn't notice already in the front video, yes, the USB 3 is front mounted on this device. And finally, let's move over to the Linksys EA6900 and its port scheme and layout. The previously mentioned blue button on the left, the recessed button next. USB 1 is the blue USB 3 speed port. USB 2 is just another USB 2.0 port. Internet, very clearly labeled, the yellow sticker. And then finally, 4 gigabit LAN ports and a power input. You'll notice the absence of a physical power switch on this device.